Logan's been wanting to do this video for a while now. And you want to show him what you've been working on?
Yeah, I built this.
Well, we still need to glue the body back together. But so Logan's been doing a lot of modifications to cars himself.
I built this Honda Civic, but it still needs to be like glued back together.
This is a car I painted a while ago. And then Logan's been pulling cars apart, been swapping wheels.
I got a Ford GT and I turned it into a burnout car.
Then you've got another car there.
Yeah, and I had to take the door off so I could fit in the exhaust pipe.
You had to take the door to fit the exhaust?
Yeah.
Insane. And you look like you got some vinyl wrap on that.
Yeah, that one I built at my friend's house. And this is the stock version of it.
And then you've got different wheels on that thing.
Yeah, that's another drag car that I built.
Got different wheels on that. You got your 3rd gen Camaro with some gold. Welcome back to the channel. We just thought we'd give you guys a video on the town. Not really like an update video, but this is kind of, what do you think we're gonna do?
We're gonna race the Camaro and the box body that we built.
Oh yes. It's gonna be a town video, but it's gonna be a little bit different than all of our other town videos because we always make videos on like progress updates and just building the town. And I think this video, because we're always down here playing, and Liam didn't want to come down here. He's not feeling well today, but we're always down here playing, and Laura's like, that's the stuff you guys need to be recording. This is like, so I think today we are gonna give you guys a video of just us just playing in the town and just kind of just showing you guys like everything. And then he reminded us we never finished the video. That's what he was talking about, the race. We never finished that video, or we never followed up on it. The race that left all of you guys hanging. So we'll...
Nissan door broke.
Yeah, so I lost the front window. I don't know where that front window is to the Nissan dealership. And if you guys haven't seen any of our town videos, I mean, we've got a lot of stuff going on here. I mean, right now it's a little bit busy. I mean, we've got cars all over the place. We've got our little drag strip right here. We got this little building right here. I think we're gonna make that our tech inspection for the drag strip. Logan's got all of the Dodge squad right here, the Mopar crew over there. We've got the Fast and the Furious house over here, of course Ford dealership. And is this one yours or Liam's house? I never remember. You guys keep oh, it's your house. I thought you lived over here in this one. We still need to build the neighborhood, don't we? We got that coming, but this is basically a replica of our house here. Someone's on the roof. I wonder who did that. What's going on in the garage? Let's see what's going on in there. Okay, it's a mess. That's normal. All right. We took the Fox body and raced the Camaro. Where is that Camaro, buddy?
Yeah, it's over here.
I'm gonna pick up where we left off and backtrack from this video. Still on the hunt. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this one or keep it, but I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna start a Project Fox. What do you think? We're gonna head over here to the gas station.
Somebody was trying to race you there.
At the gas station?
Yeah.
Well, let's go over there and see what's up. Pull in.
I can park right here.
There we go.
Actually, I'll park right here.
So who called me out? Was it this guy?
No, it's the Camaro.
This guy?
Yeah.
He's gonna beat me, bud.
No.
Dude, that guy's car is so much faster than mine.
Just try it.
Okay, we'll see what happens. Maybe I'm not gonna put a full tank in here just so I got a little bit of gas. Where are we gonna take it? Highway pulls?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
He's gonna follow us.
He's on the wrong side of the road. Wait, no, we're on the wrong side of the road.
Logan's right there. All right, let's go. All right, so now we're back at the house. We gotta go find a project car and we're gonna go back and beat them.
Maybe we can get one from the junkyard.
Oh, and build it? Let's do it. You going back in there?
Yeah.
We're over here scoping out the junkyard. We got the Evo. Oh, we got a Nova over here. There's all kinds of good stuff over here in the junkyard.
Yeah.
There's another Nova right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I found what I wanted. What if we took this Fox body shell? It's a notch like I want. And we build that thing.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's back the trailer down there, and it's right there too. It's right up front. You think you can back the trailer in there?
Yeah.
Johnny needs to move his truck.
Trying to make it.
think you got it, buddy. Just winch it on up there. We need a hood. Oh, there's a hood over here. Let's grab that cow hood right there. Where are we gonna take it, buddy?
Take it to my shop. I have the engine for it. Yeah, I have a Coyote swap with a turbo.
Oh, this thing's gonna be turbo. That Camaro guy, he ain't gonna know what's coming for him. All right, so here's Logan's shop. We're backing the Fox body up in here. He's got a dyno. You actually got the dyno right there.
Yeah.
And
I
then,
haven't put it together yet.
Is that the Coyote swap right there with the turbo?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put that in there? All right, here we go. We're about to start this. We got the engine swap. We got the Coyote swap.
I'm trying to put the engine in. Now up to me. You're drinking coffee.
Think we're ready?
Yeah. Let's go smoking.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
So you guys just saw the clip where we took the Fox body and raced the Camaro. Where is that Camaro, buddy? Do you know?
Yeah, it's over here.
Oh, snap. What should we do? Should we get the Fox body out and start trolling the streets and try to find him?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right here.
Uh-oh, you got this, buddy.
Okay.
So we're gonna just take the Fox body on down the street.
Oh, Mustang meet at Denny's.
What?
Oh, no.
You don't know. It's so fun. As soon as I put a camera on this guy, he just gets all shy. But when there's no camera, he is like into this. Like, okay, we got this guy over here. Look what I did over here. I got my garage laid out. It's so funny. But it's all good. It's all good, bud. You know what I feel like, though? I feel like we've got the Camaro and the Mopar meet backwards, because I feel like these guys over here are more of your takeover crew, and they're usually at gas stations, right?
Yeah. Too many to put at the gas station.
It's like we're back over here calling out the Camaro guy. And looks like he's got a few of his buddies over there with him. I think he's laughing at us.
Probably.
He's like, you coming over here trying to race me with that junkyard car? But yeah, when you see a car roll up looking like that, you kind of think we're gonna have to take him back to the highway.
That's where we did last time.
Under this underpass right here, so I think we're gonna have to bring it back to the highway. All right, so we've got the race lined up right here. Who do you think's gonna win?
Us.
Do you even know how much power that thing made on the dyno?
Like 900.
I think it was making over 900 on the dyno.
Yeah.
This race was for pinks, right? So now you won this. You got to give him a ride back. Where are you taking him?
We'll probably take him to the Ford dealership.
You just dropping them off? If you look in there, they've got a few Shelbys. They've got two inside on the showroom, and they've got a notch in there too. The showroom floor. What is he gonna get?
We'll probably get the orange.
Oh, he's gonna get the one off the showroom floor?
Yeah.
So there's his new car. Oh, now he's got to go back to his crew. You think his crew's gonna accept him?
Probably not.
He's gonna have to make a new one. So you basically just converted this guy. So he's gonna roll over here into the Mustang meet. Over there showing it off. What's your plans for that car?
I'll probably put it in my garage and maybe later I'll trade it.
Just keep it for a little bit.
I think I'm gonna trade it in for an Hellcat.
Hellcat, the Charger, 4-door, white.
Yeah.
That dealership's a little tight, isn't it? So if old boy wanted to, he could go and just trade his GT500 in and get his car back. What do you got going on?
I have like a drag car right here. My Evo, I like drive it to the store. I have an MK5 Toyota Supra and Vaughn's car. And then this one, I guess I'm just working on it. Maybe.
Oh, that's the backup.
Yeah, and then
What we got in here?
I have a Fox body that I drag racing.
Oh wow.
And then this one I use for parts.
Parts car.
Yeah.
So you got an engine hoist in there.
And then in here I have all of my girlfriends.
Oh wow. Well, you got some of them in the closet, bud?
They're taking showers.
Oh yeah, here's the little heist Civics right there. I don't know if you guys have seen those. It looks like they're about to take over that semi, get some VCRs and DVD players out of there. That's the heist Civics. I don't know if you guys have seen these. These are like the newer ones. I've got one brand new still in the package right here. We actually found these on Facebook Market, which is kind of cool.
On the Civic Coupe or Hatch.
Yeah. That Civic that you built, buddy, it actually looks like something you'd see on the road back in the day. Are we racing now? Where are you going now, bud?
Exotic meat. A pink slip. I want to race for pink slips and get the Lamborghini. I don't think I'll want my car, but...
So the Mustang and the Lambo, they decided to go with a roll race. The Lambo guy wants to go from a roll, so these guys are gonna go from a roll. As soon as they get out from under the bridge, at the end of the bridge, they're gonna hammer it down. And then once they get out from the bridge is when they let it loose. Here, back up a little bit. All right, so here they go. They're gonna, and then as soon as they get out from the bridge, you gotta keep them even, keep them even, keep them even. You want to race Dom? Fast and the Furious house? I don't know. Are you ready for Dom? He lives his life a quarter mile at a time. For them 10 seconds or less.
Mine's 8 seconds.
Yours 8 seconds? Look at this. This fishing line's kind of working a little bit. That's a big celly, isn't it, buddy? Huh? Yeah. Oh, man. So you coming over here to call Dom out. Move Brian's car out of the way. So which one are you gonna race? Are you gonna race the RX-7 or the Charger?
I don't know.
Let's set this race up. What do you think? Right there, does that look like a familiar race scene right there? You wanna see if they know? We're missing the car that was right there. We've got Ja Rule, we'll call that one Monica. We've got Brian's Eclipse, Vin Diesel's RX-7. Let's see, does anyone know what the other car was? We know what it is, but we actually don't have that car in a 1/64 scale. That's why we got Logan's Mustang there. I'm just wondering if you guys know what the fourth car was in the race. We'll just test everybody on their Fast and the Furious knowledge just to see if they know what that fourth car was. But right now, we don't have that in a 1/64 scale. We're just gonna go ahead and substitute it in with the Mustang. Let us know if you guys wanna see this race. Maybe this will be the next one. And then I'm gonna see if I can find that car. I don't know if they make it or not. But anyways, we are gonna bring this video to a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit different than any of our other town videos. Let's put that back on. We do have an addition that we are working on. We've got this used dealership right here with Ken Block's car in there. We've got a McDonald's over here. But we've got a lot of other stuff. We've got a bunch of houses that we want to build. There's a lot that we have that we still are working on. So we are planning on expanding this and making it bigger. And of course, you guys know we're going to share it with you guys as well. And we did get this trailer. It takes me back to my childhood. When I was growing up, that's what my parents lived in, bud. Could you imagine living in that versus this, bud? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little town video. It's just us hanging out here in the basement. Normally, this guy isn't as quiet and as shy. Normally, way more outspoken, aren't you? Oh, really? You're wild. I'm putting that in the video, but it's going in the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Actually, you wrap it up. You don't even have to do what I do. You can come up with your own thing. Here's your chance.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.
If you guys like these town videos, there is a playlist here on the channel, so you guys can go over there, check them out. You can watch all our little town videos and let us know what you guys think of the little skits and scenarios of us sitting here playing with the toy cars, because we do this all the time and Laura's always telling us, you need to record that more often.